Hi, Joe Jeffery from Jeffery Team Insurance Agency, and these are 13 signs you may be working with the wrong insurance agent. Number 1, you always call them, but they never call you. This is a problem. Your life changes over time, and it's your insurance agent's job to know how their companies are changing and how to best cover you. If they're not calling you to review your policy with you, then that means something is wrong. Number 2, the answer to your policy questions is, oh, you don't need that. It is the job of the insurance agent to explain what a coverage is for and what it means. If they just dismiss your questions and say, oh, don't worry about it, or you don't need that, well, you should worry about it, and you probably actually need it, so you might be working with the wrong agent. Number 3, they oversell you. Your insurance agent adds things onto your policy that you, number 1, didn't even talk about, or number 2, don't even need. And that's a big problem. Number 4, your insurance agent undersells you. In order to get you in the door, your insurance agent might leave some coverages off, which is nice because you'll have a lower price, but come claim time, that could be a problem because your claim could be denied. Number 5, your insurance agent talks over your head and uses jargon you don't understand. It's my job to make the policy make sense for you and to give you an example of how coverages work. If they're just using insurance terms that you don't understand and you walk away saying, I have no idea what just happened in that conversation, then that's also a problem. It's my job to make the insurance understandable for you. Number 6, they don't ask you any questions. Insurance is very individualized. If they're not asking you questions about your occupation, your income, your family, how many children you have, then these are large problems because these are the things that you are trying to protect. And if they're not taking the time to get to know you and your circumstances, then you will not be covered right. Number 7, they give you prepackaged deals. The problem with a prepackaged deal for insurance is there is no such thing. Like the previous point, insurance is very personal. My life is completely different from your life, so my insurance should look completely different from your insurance and your needs. Coverages that I desperately need to cover my family may not apply to you, and vice versa. So if they say, this is a prepackaged deal, this is what our agency does, then that's a bad sign. Number 8, your agent uses the term, this is what most people do. When someone says this is what most people do in the insurance world, that drives me up a wall. You are an individual. It's my job to figure out what makes you unique and how these insurance companies can protect you the best with your circumstances. Number 9, they only focus on price. I know a lot of consumers, when they're looking to buy insurance, are concerned about the end-the-door price, which is important. You need to be able to afford your insurance. But if your agent is only focused on price, they might be willing to compromise your coverages just for that price. There are things that I can do in a quote process to get my price lower than another company, but I don't want to sacrifice protection for you. So I am happy to explain coverages that you could potentially need in a claim. And then it's up to you to select those coverages or deny those coverages. I don't get to make that decision for you as an agent. You should be able to make that decision. If your agent is making those decisions for you, then that's a bad sign. Number 10, your agent suddenly disappears when you have a claim. When you have a claim, that's the whole reason you bought insurance. If your agent disappears and they're not answering questions, they're only referring you to an 800 number, they're not giving you resources of restoration companies to work with, auto body shops to work with, then you may be working with the wrong agent. Number 11, your insurance agent only gives you one option of what to go with, whether it's one option for a coverage, one option for an insurance company, one option for a payment method. This is a problem. Insurance, again, is tailored towards you. If you want to pay monthly, you can pay monthly. If you want to pay once a year, you can pay once a year. If you want a different deductible, you can choose that. That's up to you. If your agent's only giving you one option, then that's a bad sign. Number 12, your policy payments go up with no explanation. A good insurance agent should be able to tell you why a policy is going up, whether you had a claim or it's just something that your insurance company is doing. And being an independent agent, I can cross-check that against all of the other companies I have at my disposal to see if they are a better fit for you now. And number 13, when you call to cancel insurance with them, they don't care. If you call them to cancel your insurance and they don't care and they don't try to save your business, then that means they probably didn't even care in the first place. So why don't you switch to someone who cares? Go to our website, fill out the quote form, give us a call, and we will care about you, your individual circumstance, your family, what you need. We won't oversell you. We won't undersell you. We will just provide you with options. And if you want to work with us and build a relationship with us, we will be there to help.